Bonjour, I'm Jean Lalonde, the developer of Quick Access Popup and of this new software, Quick Clipboard Editor, QCE in short. This free Windows application gives you direct access to the text in your clipboard, allowing to make various changes before pasting it to your target application. Often you have text in your clipboard that is not exactly what you need to paste, so you need to make changes. Instead of cutting and pasting this text to a text editor and then using cut and paste again to paste it to your target application, you can edit it directly in Quick Clipboard Editor with a large variety of tools. Let's see some of these tools. For example, we copied a text from a web page. Now we open the Quick Clipboard Editor and you see the text that you just copied. Let's say we need to insert some text at a given position on each line. We can use the Edit Insert String command and select the point where we insert the text. It can be the beginning, the end of the line, a variable position based on some existing text on each line, or in this example at the fixed position 24. When the text is ready to be pasted, simply copy it to the clipboard using the copy button and then use Ctrl-V to paste it to your application, or shorter, just click Paste in QCE and it will paste the content of the editor to your application. You could make it even faster with two QCE hotkeys. Select some text and hit Ctrl-Windows-C to copy the selected text and open the editor. And when the text is ready, for example, after making the text uppercase, you can click the paste button to paste it back to the original location, or you can select another destination and then hit the second hotkey, Ctrl-Windows-V. We just saw how we can insert text on each line, but we can also do the same to remove part of each line. With the Edit Substring command, you can select a starting point and an end point and click Keep to keep the selected text or Remove to delete it. You can also filter all lines in the clipboard with the command Filter Lines. You can filter based on various text criteria, including regular expressions. With the Filter Characters command, you can clean the text by removing various characters, including invisible characters like tab. You can trim the beginning or the end of each line, or you can remove these characters in the whole text. In this example, we delete every numbers in the text. Before looking at some other commands, two things. First, for all commands, the action can be applied to the whole text in the editor or only on the selected text. For example, we can remove all the dashes, but only inside the selected lines. Secondly, for commands that you want to use frequently, you can save the commands by checking the Save Command checkbox. For example, let's save a command that removes every numbers from the text. When you save the command, you give it a name, and now you can retrieve it from the Saved Commands drop-down list. This is available for all commands and can be managed globally in the Manage Saved Commands dialog box, where you can delete unused saved command or load a command to use it again. Now let's see some other commands in Quick Clipboard Editor. Of course, you can search for text, you can do find and replace, like in any editor, including using regular expressions. You can also sort the text in the editor based on a lot of different criteria. For example, we can sort the text from a given position on each line and sort these lines in descending order of numeric values. You can change the case of the text for various needs, uppercase, lowercase, or toggle case that is useful after you type something with caps lock enabled without wanting it. Finally, in the Convert menu, you can transform the text in the editor for a variety of technical or programming needs. Just one example here, if you get a string from a URL in the clipboard, a string that has been encoded for URL, so spaces and special characters has been converted to some numeric values, you can convert these codes and retrieve the original text using the Convert Decode from URL command. Of course, you can do it in the other way to convert some text to make it ready for a URL. There are many other convert commands to explore, and there is room to add new commands or improve those already there. Feedbacks on that are always welcome. In the Options menu, you can set various preferences about launching QCE, about its editor window, the hotkeys, Clipboard History, and saved commands. Some options are also available directly in the editor toolbar to set the font, set the word wrap, or the always on top command. This always on top command is very useful when you want to see the text in the clipboard as you copy it from another window. Finally, let's talk about one of the most exciting features of Quick Clipboard Editor. It's Clipboard History. With QCE, not only you can edit your clipboard directly, but you can also easily return to the past clips that you add in your clipboard. You can do it in three ways. You can click on the buttons on both sides of the editor to browse the history back or to return to other clips. You can also right-click to open a menu that contains the 25 last clips from the clipboard. And if it's not enough, you can also open the history search box to look for a needle in your clipboard haystack. You type a few characters and you can edit or paste the clips you found using the buttons or the context menu. You can find much more about what can be done with Quick Clipboard Editor on the QCE website. A final note, Quick Clipboard Editor is a free Windows program. Of course, you can make donation, but you can also send suggestions or bug reports on the QCE forum. This is only version 1 of QCE. There are certainly things that will need to be fixed and also good ideas to implement. So please see the link in the description. If you like this video, click the like button. And if you are new to this channel, do not miss the Quick Access Pop-up videos. Quick Access Pop-up, the popular Windows launcher. Thank you for your attention and see you on the QCE website.